On a renovation, development, demolition, or public works site, construction machines occupy a preponderant place in terms of work tools because of their functions and the many advantages they bring in terms of productivity. The machines can vary hugely in their power, but some are just so powerful that they are in a league of their own. These are the machines that we will discuss today. 1. Byron Kelly's Conveyor Aggregate Delivery Truck. Building dirt roads is not a simple or inexpensive task. Thankfully, civil design engineers have recognized the benefits of layering geosynthetics designed for separation and stabilization atop prepared subgrades. Byron Kelly's Conveyor Aggregate Delivery Truck is becoming increasingly popular for this purpose. When it comes to the strategic placement of conveyor materials, the Byron Kelly firm is unrivaled. They are confident that the conveyor aggregate delivery truck they supply will aid contractors in achieving their objectives. Conveyor trucks manufactured by Byron Kelly are immensely helpful for enterprises and projects of all kinds, since they can transfer crushed rock, sand, and soil to and deposit it in precisely designated locations. Using these trucks to do tasks that would normally take hours or even days helps save valuable time. The landscaping and construction industries have benefited greatly from this forward-thinking truck. 2. Y81 Scrap Metal Baler. The Y81 series scrap metal baler is used to process all kinds of scrap metal, like shavings, chips, scrap steel, aluminum, stainless steel, scrap cars, and so on, into bales of various shapes, including rectangular, octagonal, and cylindrical shapes. This makes the scrap qualified for the melting requirements of the furnace, which saves money on both transportation and melting costs, while also increasing the rate at which the metal is melted. The baler is an ideal packing machine for the steel, recycling, and melting industries for both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Y81 baler comes with both electrical and diesel engine power. However, this is not the only option you will get. The hydraulic drive system that is both reliable and effective also offers manual control or full automation through a PLC. Turning the bale over, pushing it out the side, pushing it out the front, or discharging it manually are all techniques of the bale ejection you can implement with this machine. 3. Alberto Aleman Zubieta. Alberto Aleman Zubieta is a backhoe dredger by IHC Merwede. With 62.2 meters in length, 23 meters in width, and 5.1 meters in depth, the machine is the largest of its kind. It can dredge to a maximum depth of 19.5 meters and has a maximum power output of 3,000 kilowatts. Housing 10 workers throughout the day, the vessel is outfitted with a modified diesel-hydraulic Komatsu PC5500 excavator and will eventually accommodate a modified Komatsu PC8000. There are 3 spud hoist winches, 1 spud carrier winch, 7 auxiliary winches, 2 mooring winches, 3 deck cranes, and 2 thrusters, each having a power output of 300 kilowatts on board. Hydropower is used to operate the machinery. The dredging work for the $5.25 billion Panama Canal Expansion project, which was expected to be finished in 2015, was performed by the backhoe dredger. The backhoe dredger was also built to do canal upkeep tasks. 4. Okada TSWB Series. Reinforced concrete structures like buildings, bridges, and foundations can be broken apart using this all-powerful demolition crusher by Okada. Since a unique casting alloy was used for its construction, the crusher is both lightweight and extremely sturdy, all while providing a much wider and deeper operational area. The concrete is simply no match for the crusher's wedge arm. 5. TESMEC 100 Rock Saw Trencher. Rock saw trenchers enable high productivity by cutting very hard soil and concrete. They were developed for the most extreme environments and are used specifically for the excavation of cable ducts. With the TESMEC rock saw trenchers, you can easily dig a large quantity of debris while maintaining a tight and deep cut. For fiber optic networks, electric cable projects, and tiny diameter pipelines, some models can be outfitted with an automatic cable laying system and an integrated backfilling system. Whether in an urban or extra-urban setting, or even harsh weather, TESMEC rock saw trenchers are up to the task. 6. CAT PM620. The PM620 is a high-production, half-lane milling machine that provides controlled, full-depth removal of asphalt and concrete pavements in a single pass. Its cutting width is a surprising 2,010 millimeters or 79.1 inches. So, whether texturing the surface or milling an airport runway, highway, or urban street, The automatic features of this cold planer optimize demand on the engine and rotor system to keep operations smooth and productive. This allows for maximum efficiency. It is possible to further expand its versatility by selecting from among the many adaptable choices offered to meet your application's requirements. Thus, the PM620 is extremely modern and well-equipped equipment that will result in an immediate return on investment for contractors. 7. Power Kerber 5700C. The Power Kerber 5700C slip-form paver is perfect for tunnels, canals, ditch liners, stadium risers, slotted drains, agricultural applications, curb and gutter rehabilitation, barrier/parapet applications, sidewalk, no-mow strips, and wide paving. Its tiny shape allows it to be used in confined areas such as parking lot corners, islands, and cul-de-sacs. The equipment stays stable even on the rocky subgrade and during loading and unloading, thanks to its low center of gravity. The operator can see the concrete as it comes out of the mold, and they will also have a clear view of the area around the machine. Rather than requiring the operator to coordinate all 3 tracks simultaneously, the 5700C can make sharp bends using only the front track's steering. However, full crawler steering is also a customizable feature. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!